everyone. Welcome to Metropolitan Cathedral. Metropolitan Cathedral is the ecclesiastical seat of the Metropolitan Archdiocese of Cebu in Philippines. Cebu was established as a diocese of Progress on August 14, 1695. It was elevated as a Metropolitan Archdiocese on April 28, 1934, with the Dioceses of Dumaguete, Maasin, Tagbilaran, and Talibon. This is the cathedral, Metropolitan Cathedral. It is so nice and amazing. Napagigikasal.
It is truly right and just,
Kasal pa
our
na.
duty and our salvation, always and everywhere to give you thanks, Lord, Holy Father, Almighty and Eternal God. For you will that the human race, created by the gift of your goodness, should be raised to sanctified dignity, that in the union of us